Imagine a world where every minute of downtime costs thousands. Welcome to the reality of manufacturing. Maintenance software is the unsung hero, transforming chaos into streamlined efficiency. Unplanned downtime is a production nightmare, halting operations and causing ripple effects. High equipment complexity demands precise maintenance strategies to avoid costly breakdowns. Scheduling preventive maintenance is a logistical puzzle. Multi-site operations and fragmented systems add layers of complexity, making proactive maintenance a challenge. Modern factories are intricate ecosystems. Interconnected machinery requires specialized care, and high usage rates increase wear and tear, demanding precise maintenance strategies. Traditional systems lead to reactive firefighting maintenance. Proactive maintenance reduces stress and improves efficiency, shifting focus from reactive to proactive strategies. Maintenance software standardizes processes across plants, ensuring compliance and improving asset lifespan. Data-driven insights enable smarter planning and decision-making. Data-driven maintenance reduces unplanned downtime and improves asset performance. Standardization across departments ensures compliance with quality and safety standards. Centralized data offers full visibility into maintenance KPIs, enabling smarter planning and continuous improvement. Compliance with standards becomes seamless. IoT and AI are revolutionizing predictive maintenance. Mobile access and cloud solutions enhance flexibility, making maintenance more efficient and responsive. Cybersecurity is crucial as systems become interconnected. Protecting maintenance data ensures operational continuity and compliance with industrial standards. Successful implementation of a CMS requires careful planning and training. Pilot programs help identify issues and build confidence, ensuring smooth integration. Don't let your business fall behind. Modernize your maintenance operations with advanced software. Schedule a man-win-win demo today and transform your processes for the better.